बहुत सी बातों का सैलाब उमड़ता है हमारे अंदर, पर संकोच का बांध रोक लेता है बवंडर। कौन क्या सोचेगा, कोई क्या कहेगा, कहीं हमारी कही बातों का मजाक तो नहीं उड़ेगा। बस यही सोच लगा देती है जुबान पे विराम। खुल के बोलने के लिए चाहिए आत्मविश्वास। आइए हम सब मिलकर करें इसका प्रयास। हम सब कर सकते हैं। हम सब कर सकते हैं अगर करें थोड़ा अभ्यास। Good afternoon. Welcome, welcome to Cafe Friday on Mic. So, all are looking super fabulous, hot and sexy, all set for Christmas, right? Show me a thumbs up at least. Red is the color of energy, power, and if we all are together, then it's dangerous too for someone. So here comes our level 1, session 2. And let me welcome Kavita, captain of our ship. Kavita, please station के बारे में कुछ बातें रखिए.
Hello and welcome everybody. As Manisha said, red, danger. And together, all of us, more danger. So looking forward to a wonderful session full of fun and laughter. Please make it fun. We don't want serious talks today because it's Santa's Day and everybody should tweak their speeches, if not already done, and change it to some Santa mood. So we have some surprises also, which Nidhi and Manisha will unveil. So Merry Christmas, everybody in advance, and let's rock.
Merry Christmas, Kavita. So let me unveil the surprise from you only. मैंने कुछ लोगों से पूछा कि मुझे कविता के लिए कुछ कहो, तो बाढ़ आ गई। एक की जगह इतने सारे लोगों ने मुझे तुम्हारे लिए कुछ 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 कहा कि अब मैं किसकी वाली बात तुम्हें बताऊं, ये मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है। तो एक काम करो, मैं 1 to 7 का नंबर देती हूँ। गिव मी 1 नंबर, उस नंबर पे जो होगा मैं उसी की बात तुम्हें बताऊंगी। 4. Very motivating. Now you have to guess who said this.
So is the person present today?
Yeah, चलो इतना easy कर देते हैं।
Nidhi is saying yes.
है।
Nipa?
No, I'll give you 3 chances, not more than that.
Pinky?
No. Actually, it is such a common thing you chose कि वो anybody can say this.
Babita?
You lost it, madam. चलो एज अ पेनल्टी हम ये कर सकते हैं कि हम आपको और ज्यादा सोचने पे मजबूर करेंगे और साथों के साथों आपके स्टेटमेंट आपको बता देंगे कि आपके लिए किसने किसने क्या कहा, पर ये नहीं बताएंगे कि किसने कहा। Someone said a true Santa for all. किसी ने कहा एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा। किसी ने कहा विजनरी एंड इंसाइटफुल, वेरी मोटिवेटिंग, कैरिस्मेटिक कविता, हम्बल, एंड किसी ने तो तुम्हारे नाम का पूरा एब्रिविएशन ही कर डाला, kind, agreeable, vigorous, intelligent, talented and adventurous.
Wow.
How's that?
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you.
So
Manisha,
this is Cafe
send me
Friday on Mic का birthday gift to you.
Thank you. Do send me the list and please बता देना किसने.
I will do that. I will do that.
With Santa for you.
Yeah. So now I would like to invite our mentor Priya. Priya, are you there?
Not yet. Not yet.
Should I ask her or should I continue with my things?
Should I message? You continue, Manisha.
Now, I would like to increase energy flow of the session by inviting our own powerhouse, Nidhi Mohta, the evaluator. Welcome, Nidhi, to the podium.
Thank you so much. And ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, all of you. We'll have fun today. And fun, why not? Because evaluation is nothing less than fun. I'll just share a small story with you. I'm evaluating so much nowadays that I started evaluating my mother-in-law's food. And I started saying that, oh, थोड़ा सा मिर्ची कम है, थोड़ा सा नमक कम है. And the result was she asked me to cook for herself. So evaluating more, it sometimes can be dangerous. So I'll make sure of that. And since it's an art, we'll all learn eventually when we go ahead with the levels. So I'm today very excited, and don't worry, be yourself. बस वो हंसी, yes, वही वाली हंसी बरकरार रखिए एंड चलते हैं आगे. एक बात याद रखिएगा, आपका टाइम लिमिट अच्छे से सुनिए, अच्छे से देखिए, बिकॉज दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अदरवाइज लेट्स गो अहेड.
आगे जाने के पहले निधि, हम आपको भी कविता की तरह 3 आपके शब्द बताएंगे. आप एक नंबर चूज करो एंड यू हैव टू गेस दैट.
थर्ड 3.
Number 3. Expressive.
हाँ, pardon me?
Expressive.
Expressive. Okay.
Someone told you very expressive.
Okay.
Expressive Nidhi, to be very precise. Someone said expressive Nidhi.
Okay. Bhavika?
No.
Lost it. I've got three chances.
Yeah.
Chalo. Ingi. Okay. Payal?
No.
Who's my secret Santa? Darshana?
No, you lost it, Nidhi. So, do you want to tell the word of the day and all?
Okay, let me give the word of the day today. Since it's a festive mood and we are all having a great time, so let me give you a phrase of the day. Let's learn something different, an idiom of the day. Now, it is whale of time. Whale of time. It means that you're having fun, you're having amazing time. All right, so incorporate this phrase in your sentence, like, I am today at the Cafe Mike having a whale of time. And you will eventually have a whale of time at the end of the session. Thank you so much. Over to you, Manisha.
So I am totally confident that everybody is having whale of the time today in Cafe on Friday session. Now I would like to invite Bhavika, Tabu the timer, to increase the happiness charm to our session.
Hello all, Merry Christmas. So, okay, I'll just tell you, just make this note. It's very important for all of you. Once your speech start, when Manisha introduce you, just wait for me to announce your time. Like I'll say, Pinky, your time starts now, or Sheetal, your time starts now. And then you start your speech so you don't miss out on your first words, because you won't be audible that time. And then once that is done, so first I'm just telling on the ready speeches one, you get 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. So once your like 3 minutes is about to happen, like your 30 seconds is left, I will just show you time is running out, and I'll keep that holding like 30 seconds that you just see on my screen. You just pin me whenever you're saying your speech, pin me so you can see me. And when 30 seconds is left, I will show you the board of you want like this. Okay, hope you all can see.
Yes.
Yes.
So, and when your time will be up, I will just mute you. Okay. So you will be hearing that buzzer, and I'll be showing you time is up. and you'll be muted. So anyways, that doesn't matter. Even if your time is up, you'll be muted. You won't be heard only by after that. So I'll warn you when your time is 30 seconds only left. It goes same with both table on the table speech and the ready speech. But the on the table speech, you are getting 1 to 2 minutes. Okay.
So Bhavika,
Do you want me to tell them like after 2 minutes, you have 1 minute left or anything?
that will disturb their momentum.
Yeah, that's
Do
what. So
not-
I'm not saying that.
Don't
Only
say.
I will be popping up. This time is running out. Only when you have 30
Every
seconds left
speaker,
on your hand.
please pin her, so that will be helpful to you.
Yeah. So
Every-
only this time is running out. Once you see, you can just start wrapping up your speech. You have 30 seconds to wrap it up.
Fine. So Bhavika, it's now your time to guess.
Oh, okay. I'm ready.
Yeah. Again, you have got 4 words. So choose which word you want to hear.
Okay. 1.
Wow. Bubbly chilbull. That you are.
Uh, um, Sheetal?
No.
Okay. Mamta?
No.
I'm just seeing everyone's face expression. Nidhi?
No.
So, okay, tell me who's my secret Santa.
That Manisha is not saying.
Should I say?
You did not tell mine.
No, let's keep that secret. At the end of the session, we'll see.
Okay.
Okay. So now are you ready, Bhavika? We are good to go.
Yes, 100%.
So let's start our ready speech session. Today's topic was visual ed. There you can incorporate any visual example to enhance your speech, be it slideshow, be it any prop, be it any chart, anything. You were free to adjust. And I hope all the speakers have kept their speech ready accordingly. And their speech time is 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, 30 seconds grace period. So our first speaker for the day is Jasmine Bhatia. Jasmine, hello Jasmine.
Hello.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Just to reduce your stress, let me tell you one word which you got, that is like her name, blossoms to prosper.
Thank you so much.
But who said this for you? Now you guess that.
Okay. I go with Kavita. No. Nidhi, because she's very expressive.
Yes.
Oh, I got it right.
Before speech only you won the game. Good, that's good. So I told you I will enhance your mood, I'll reduce your stress. I did that.
Yes, definitely.
So
Okay.
Jasmine's speech title is hunger just missing a meal? Is hunger just missing a meal? Jasmine.
So, Jasmine, your time starts now.
3 minutes left.
Hello, everyone. I hope all of us have had a breakfast this morning and have not skipped the meal. If yes, give me a thumbs up. Great to know that. Okay, ladies, but I'm really sure all of us have might skipped the meal sometime or the other. You remember the Karwa Chauth festival, wherein at the start of the day we think, oh my God, when the moon will come, when I can see the moon, break my fast, and then eat my meals, right? So I know all of us know what's the meaning of skipping a meal. So let's see if skipping a meal means the same for everyone. So here, the man is in a railway station. He might have picked up a roti which someone might have thrown away, and now he washes it and eats it to fulfill his hunger. You know, after I watched this video, I really got goosebumps. You know why? Because as per data, every 10 seconds, a child dies out of hunger. 1 in every 8 people sleep hungry each night, and 1/3 of the food produced in the world goes wasted without even consumption. So friends, I would like to ask all of you this one simple question. How many times there are items lying in our fridge which we think we might consume a little later, but finally what happens? It goes to the dustbin. Parties and functions are common for all of us, but how much of food wastage do we have in it? We have never noticed. I would like to tell all of you, think, pause, and act before any meal that is served to you. Because excess of meal might be just an ignorance for us, but it means a lot for someone else. So friends, let's try to be a Santa from this Christmas in someone's life, because food tastes better, even better when shared. Try to contact an NGO like Robin Hood Army, who can come and take away the excess food that we have, and it can give it to the needy people. Finally, I would just like to say, hunger is much, much more than just missing a meal. Thank you.
Awesome and smooth presentation. It's awesome.
Thank you.
Very nice, Jasmine. Bhavika, what was that duration she took? Unmute yourself, Bhavika.
Time is up. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, she took 2 minutes, 31 seconds.
All right. Thank you, Jasmine. Now it's time for our second speaker, Payal. Where is Payal?
Yeah, Payal just joined back. I think there was some network issue. Payal, you're on mute.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Hello, Payal. I must appreciate your dedication, just rushing from airport after so much of mess you have gone through and sitting here for speech. This is called dedication. Clap for her.
Thank you so much.
But
Thank you, Manisha.
yeah, but evaluator, please note, she couldn't present her visual thing because of all the mess she has gone through, missing her flight and losing her luggage. So she will just present her speech, and that's important for us. Go ahead, Payal. But let me enhance your mood by saying the word which you got, that is simplicity at its best. Simplicity at
Okay.
its best.
Okay.
Now guess who said this for you?
Pinky?
No.
Kavita? No. Sheetal ji?
No worries. Let's go move with your speech. Bhavika, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. So, Richa, your time starts.
No. Her speech title is,
Okay, sorry.
Does being glamorous indicates that you are modern? Payal.
So,
Yeah.
Payal, your time starts now.
Okay. Thank you, Manisha. And thank you, Bhavika. Good afternoon, everyone. So my topic is, does being glamorous indicates that you are modern? Today, most of us are confused that the way we dress, the language we speak, and the way we are adopting the Western lifestyle indicates that we are transforming ourselves to modernity. However, I feel these things above indicates only being glamorous. There is a huge difference between being glamorous and being modern. I would love to say being glamorous is only a part of being modern. So again, going away from our culture, disrespecting our rich heritage and in-depth knowledge of every field in our heritage will never help us in achieving what we want to. For me, being modern is how we use our knowledge and technical know-hows to make things easier in the way we do, what we can do for the society, for our nation, for our upcoming generations to uplift them and make their life easier. A simple housewife may also be a modern by using the efficient techniques for preparing good food and to fulfill her requirements of household. A farmer, he also can be modern in the ways and techniques which he uses to in his farms without being glamorous. A simple looking man or a woman who works backstage in different fields to make our life easy is more modern than our glamorous film stars. So friends, it's my request to everyone to give proper knowledge to our generations what our India is all about and what potential it has, instead of adopting only glamorous from the Western culture. They should be more focused on adapting the technical know-how and the work culture from them and really stand tall and long from actually being modern. And last, I would love to set an example in front of all of us of modernity and simplicity, of modernity in being simple. That is our cafe mentor, Kavita Agarwal. Thank you.
Very nice speech. Very nice speech. Kudos to Payal.
So, Payal, you took 2 minutes 24 seconds.
Okay.
Now it's time for our third speaker, Nipa Mehta. Nipa?
Yeah.
Yeah. And her speech, before I tell the speech title, let me tell you a word which you got. That is taboo ki badu, means buddy.
So it has to be Bhavika.
No.
No. Sheetal ji?
No.
Kavita?
No.
This one I can guess, Darshana.
No.
Pinky.
मैं चुन के लोगों से पूछा है मैडम, कॉमन गेसेस नहीं है.
Pinky.
Manisha.
No.
हाँ.
It's taboo, not taboo. तुम तो मुझे बैंड ही कर दोगी.
देखो जब लोग बोलना शुरू करते हैं, जिन्हें बोलना बहुत पसंद होता है, उनके लिए टाइमर टैबू होता है. जस्ट इमेजिन, इसलिए टैबू द टाइमर. आई नो यू आर taboo.
Okay, like that. Okay, then perfect.
So now Nipa, it's your turn to come on the podium, and her speech title is Gift and Gifting. Gift and Gifting, Nipa.
Nipa, your time starts now.
3 minutes left.
Hello everyone. I'm Nipa Mehta and my today's topic is gift and gifting. The word gift, it brings joy and sparkle in all our eyes. And if it's a surprise gift, the child in us gets awakened. What could be inside our gift? It is something that we always wanted. What could have person gifted us? And we are just taken to the imaginary world. We all must have got gifts from our parents, siblings, friends, and partners from time to time and on our special occasion. And we all must had the wheel of time at that time. But have we ever stopped and thought, why do we gift someone? As a mark of respect, as a token of love and care, or to make that person feel special? It could be any one of these. So let us think and stop why can't we ever self-gift? Okay. Why can't we ever self-gift? Isn't it a beautiful and a wonderful feeling to self-gift ourselves on our special occasion and to make yourself feel special? Why do we always wait for someone to always come and gift us? Nowadays, we don't need to step out as well. The whole catalog is at our finger click and the gift is delivered beautifully wrapped at our doorstep. All we need is our partner's credit card. So, friends, let's take a pledge. Whenever we find that we want to gift ourselves, we won't wait for someone else. Take a step forward and gift yourself. Think of Kareena Kapoor in Jab We Met, who says, I am my favorite. मैं अपनी ही favorite हूँ. So let's celebrate being oneself. It could be anything. Getting yourself a warm cup of coffee or getting some material things. It's just to celebrate oneself. Thank you.
Awesome speech.
Awesome.
I could not share because I was trying to share from my mail, but I could not get the option.
30 seconds left.
So Nipa took 2 minutes, 14 seconds.
Was she allowed to share? Was the option on? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So are we ready for our next speech? It is by Pinky Kothari. Hello, Pinky. Unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hello, everyone.
Enjoying your vacation?
Ekdam. Almost.
Very nice. So, Pinky, we got one word for you. Not one word, compilation of words. Protective, intuitive, keen, and youthful.
I know it's taboo only, my sister,
Truly.
because she knows me the best.
ये cheating है हाँ, लेकिन
नहीं बोला नहीं है
नहीं, मैंने
पक्का
नहीं
से।
बोला.
I can trust कि उन्होंने नहीं बोला एक दूसरे को. So, Pinky, are you ready for the speech?
Yeah, exactly.
Timer.
So Pinky, your time starts now.
3 minutes left.
Hello, everyone.
1 second.
And good morning, lovely cafe ladies.
1 second.
This is one and
1
only.
second.
Just a
1
minute.
second.
Manisha, did you mention her topic?
She never mentioned it to me. I just mentioned the title which people gave it to me. She didn't give me the title actually. That is why.
Okay.
Sorry for the inconvenience, Pinky. Please restart the thing.
Pinky, you're on mute.
So Pinky, your time starts now.
Good afternoon, lovely ladies. This is your only Pinky from the cafe. I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas. The title of the topic is coming in a little twist. Semicircle on your face. Something to cheer up your mood? Guess what it is? Yes, it is a lovely smile.
Oh,
Sweet little lovely smile. Today I'm going to talk about a wonderful curve which we always love to carry with us and which will make us more beautiful. Obviously, you know that is I'm talking about a sweet smile. Yeah, it is a very small thing which I find we are missing out, no matter know why. And yes, I will definitely mention that whenever I've traveled abroad, I see the people there are total strangers, but they greet us so beautifully. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, whatever. Or they just say, have a good day, ma'am, and they just pass by without expecting anything from us, really. And they just leave a sweet smile on our face, which really makes our day. And we feel so happy. And the aura is so beautiful. Trust me, you try it out once. Just wishing anybody like that. So, this is what we are missing over here. we knowingly, unknowingly, we just ignore things and we just rush to our work and everyday daily course. We miss this smile everywhere and the greetings from the known or unknown one. So, friends, I will ask everyone from this new year, let us initiate with this little smile without expecting anything from us. Others, I mean to say others. Let your smile brighten the environment and create a beautiful aura without expecting anything. So with this note, I end my speech and share a beautiful video which will definitely bring a smile in everyone's face. Just allow me to share my video.
You dropped something. You dropped something. It's your smile, because you got a good one.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Hey, you dropped something. Hey, it's your smile, because you got a good one. Hey, you girls dropped something. It's your smiles, because you have good ones. Thank you. You just dropped something. It's your smile, because you got a good one.
Thank you.
Aww.
Made my day.
Of course. You guys dropped something. Your smiles because you're beautiful.
Oh.
Drop something. It's your smile because you got a good one. I love you. Oh.
3, 2, 1. Time is up. Time is up. Time is up.
I'm done with it already.
You really helped us to bring that smile on our face, a bright
you.
one, broad one, good one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So
She took 3 minutes full.
she made a smile also full. So now it's turn of Aditi Agarwal. Are you ready, Aditi? Unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Before you start your speech, I'm telling you the word which you got. That is laughing Buddha.
कौन दिया होगा?
सोचो सोचो कौन दिया होगा?
Maybe it's Payal,
No.
Kavita.
Yes. So
Thank
on
you.
this thing, let's start your speech.
Yeah.
Aditi's speech title, she is going to speak in Hindi. उसका विषय है वाणी मन का दर्पण. वाणी मन का दर्पण. Aditi.
So Aditi, your time starts now.
या सभी को प्यार भरा नमन. शब्द बहुत शक्तिशाली होते हैं. हम जो बातें करते हैं, बोलते हैं, वैसे ही हमारी दुनिया बनने लगती है. हमारे आसपास कई प्रकार की ऊर्जा बहती है. वह हमें दिखाई नहीं देती. वह सकारात्मक व नकारात्मक दोनों प्रकार की होती है. हम जैसे होते हैं वैसे ही ऊर्जा को हम आकर्षित करते हैं. हमें अच्छे जीवन जीने के लिए सकारात्मक ऊर्जा को बढ़ाना चाहिए. हमें उन्हीं वाक्यों का प्रयोग करना चाहिए जिससे हमारा अंतर मन, आसपास शारीरिक व मानसिक सुख मिल सके. हमें आकर्षण के नियम अनुसार जैसे हम होते हैं, बातें करते हैं, वाक्यों का प्रयोग करते हैं, हम उन्हें अपने जीवन में ले आते हैं. ये विचार, वाणी, व्यवहार ही हैं जिनसे हम उन्हें घटाते व बढ़ाते हैं. जैसे विचार जो हम सोचते हैं, वाणी जो हम बोलते हैं, और व्यवहार जैसा हम देते हैं वैसा ही हमें वापस मिलता है, पर कई गुना होकर. सदियों से चले आ रही है. जो बोओगे वही काटोगे, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी, और जैसा खाओ अन्न वैसा होगा मन. तो हमें आकर्षण के नियम अनुसार हमें सकारात्मकता को बढ़ानी चाहिए और हमें अच्छा ही बोले, अच्छा ही सोचे व अच्छा ही व्यवहार करे. अब मैं आपको एक चित्र के माध्यम से उदाहरण दूंगी। ये हमारा जीवन चक्र है और ये हमारी जीवन रूपी बैंक है, जिसमें हम अपने विचार, वाणी, व्यवहार को जमा करते हैं और ये हमारे पूरे जीवन चक्र में हमें वापस मिलती है, पर कई गुना होके। तो आइए मैं आप सभी से प्रार्थना चाहती हूँ कि हम अपने जीवन को खुशहाल बनाएं, सकारात्मकता लाएं और वही दें जो हमें चाहिए और केवल अपनी वाणी से सुख ही सुख दें। मैं सभी को धन्यवाद करती हूँ और प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि अपने जीवन को खुशहाल बनाएं। धन्यवाद, आपको बहुत सारा प्यार। थैंक यू।
So Aditi, you took 2 minutes, 20 seconds.
थैंक यू।
बहुत अच्छा, आपने शब्दों का जो महत्व हमें समझाया, बहुत ही अच्छे से समझाया। और आपकी हिंदी सुन के तो मैं अचंभित हो गई कि चलो कोई मुझसे भी ज्यादा अच्छी हिंदी बोलता है। सुन के दिल गदगद हो गया।
थैंक यू सो
तो
मच। थैंक यू मनीषा जी।
यहाँ पे हमारा तैयार भाषण का सत्र खत्म होता है और हम अब जाते हैं ऑन द स्पॉट स्पीचेस की तरफ, जिसको सुन के कई लोग खुश हो जाते हैं कि चलो तैयारी के बिना हमें बोलना है, फटाफट जाके हम अच्छे से बोल देंगे। और कई लोगों की धड़कनें धक 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 करने लगती है कि हाय राम, मैं कैसे बोलूंगी, मैं कैसे करूंगी। ममता जी, आपका कहना फिजूल है, आपने बहुत अच्छे से बोला था लास्ट टाइम, हाथ मत उठाइए। आज चूंकि हम सब कुछ कुछ विजुअल क्लिपिंग्स देके अपनी अपनी बातों को इन्हांस कर रही हैं, तो मैंने कोशिश की है कि मैं भी कुछ चीजें आपको दिखाऊंगी और उनसे रिलेटेड कुछ टॉपिक्स हमारे होंगे। अब आप तय कर लीजिए कि आपको बहुत बहुत सिंपल चाहिए कि थोड़े ज्यादा कठिन चाहिए, वो आप तय कीजिए, हम उसी हिसाब से शुरू करेंगे। हमारी पहली स्पीकर है कीर्ति केडिया। कीर्ति।
Yeah, hi. Hello, everybody.
Hi, Kirti.
Hi.
Would you like to go in Hindi or English?
English.
English. Okay. Let me share something with you. Your topic is beauty has no skin tone. Kirti, your time starts now.
2 minutes left.
Hello, everybody. As this is the end of the year, we have realized that beauty is no more what you see on the screen or what you see around you. It's something that is more within you. So I think I have met few beautiful people in my life. And the most beautiful person I met in my life was in my hostel days. She was a Sri Lankan, a dark female, short female. But believe me, when you talk about beauty, she had the perfect face of the perfect, all the features. I just can't forget her face. I do come across, then I came to North India. I had different people with fairer skin. I went abroad. I had more people. But that is one face that I could never forget. So, what I realized is beauty is not just about the skin tone, but it's more about the person and the happiness the person brings around is what defines beauty much better than the skin tone. So beauty, as we all know, is we have lots of these creams coming in the market, lots of these actresses on the screen. So we have an image that a person who's fair is beautiful, a person with a certain skin tone is supposed to be superior. But what I feel is when you have a beautiful thought, a smile, that adds to beauty. And I learned very early in my life, that was in college when I met a girl from Sri Lanka, the most beautiful woman I've ever come across. Thank you.
What a take on topic. Wonderfully explained, wonderfully said, with good confidence. Very nice. Now comes the next speaker, Richa Shah.
Hi.
Hi, Richa.
Hi, Manisha.
Hindi or English?
English, please.
English. Okay. Can you say this?
It's a crown.
Yeah. And your topic is?
So, Richa, your time starts now.
2 minutes left.
So, hello everyone. Greetings from my mom's place. My topic is real queens fix each other's crowns. So, I want to start my speech by saying that we all women in the entire world, we are born with an invisible crown. That's how we should visualize ourselves. Like, I feel that I'm the queen of my house. I'm the queen, I'm the princess no matter where I go. It doesn't matter whether it's my workplace or my home or anywhere. Because it's that feeling that you are the best, you are the queen, you are precious to yourself. That itself brings you a lot of confidence. If you love yourself and you feel there's no one more important than you, then of course you do what is best for you. But that's not to say that you should give less importance to others. But yes, being a queen does not mean that you think about only yourself. It means you fix the crowns of other queens also. So we at Cafe have learned it better than anywhere else, that we progress by taking others along with us. We rise only if we make others rise with us. We grow only if we take care of others' growth. So by this phrase that queens should fix crowns of other queens, I totally believe in it, and I totally try to live by it. So even in our friends groups, we try and take care of it as much as possible. Like we are a group of 6 friends. So for everyone's birthday, we go out of our way to make them feel special on their birthdays and anniversaries. We send them gifts and we make them feel special. It's not that I'm expecting only for myself. I just love to do for all my friends, and even for my maids and workers at home.
You're on mute because your time is over, Richa. Very, very good take on the topic, and you had so much to say that your time was running out and out. Bhavika was showing you the card. Very good, Richa. Our next speaker is our own Sheetal Bavish. Just a minute, Richa. Please come ahead once again. I forgot to give you the word which you got. Enthusiastic always. Richa.
Very difficult. Hoga. Kavita. Bhavika. Sheetal.
No. Chalo, on that note, let's invite Sheetal. Sheetal, are you there?
Yes.
So Sheetal, you got the word gem of the person. Gem of a person.
Gem of a person.
Yes.
Okay. मैं हिंदी में बोल सकती हूँ?
नहीं, this is not your topic.
Okay, sorry.
बोला है, आपको guess करो.
Okay. So, actually, maybe Bhavika or Pinky or Richa. No?
अच्छा, आप हिंदी में बोलना चाहेंगे कि इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहेंगे? आपको
नहीं, आज मैं हिंदी में ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ.
ओके. तो शीतल जी, आपका टॉपिक है दिल तो बच्चा है जी.
ओके.
Yes.
So Sheetal ji, your time starts now.
2 minutes left.
Namaste. सबको क्रिसमस की बहुत बहुत बधाई। जैसे मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सॉरी। तो मैरी क्रिसमस सबको। और दिल तो बच्चा है जी, बहुत ही सुंदर टॉपिक है। और इसके बारे में मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि सबके अंदर में एक बच्चा होता है, और मेरा खुद का ये मानना है कि उस बच्चे को हमें हमेशा जिंदा रखना चाहिए। तभी हम लाइफ की जो छोटी छोटी खुशियां हैं उसको हम बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। तो ऐसा एक मूवी भी जो मैंने देखा है कि दिल तो बच्चा है जी, जो एक मूवी भी आया था, उसमें भी ये बहुत अच्छे से रिलेट किया हुआ है कि अगर आप दिल से बच्चे हैं तो आप कभी उम्र से बूढ़े हो ही नहीं सकते। और एक बच्चा है जो वो बच्चा हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नई सीखने की कोशिश करता रहता है। तो आज दिल से बच्चा होना मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि आप जो छोटी छोटी चीजें एंजॉय करते हैं, बट एक नई चीज सीखने की जो इच्छा आपके मन में है, वो भी आपको अपने जो भी आपका मतलब करियर है या फिर जो भी आप जिस चीज में भी आप काम कर रहे हैं, अगर सीखने की इच्छा आपके अंदर है तो उसमें आप बहुत आगे तक जा सकते हैं। तो दिल से बच्चा होना इस दोनों तरफ से बहुत ही अच्छा है। किसी भी एक इंडिविजुअल को, किसी भी एक व्यक्ति को अपने खुद की लाइफ को बहुत अच्छे से रखना। और आज हम अपने बच्चों के साथ भी अगर बच्चों जैसा ही व्यवहार करते हैं, बच्चों के साथ भी बच्चों जैसे दोस्त बन के रहते हैं, तो हम लोगों की लाइफ एक अलग ही, हम लोगों का जीवन एक अलग ही लेवल पे जाके ठहरता है। तो मैरी क्रिसमस टू ऑल ऑफ यू अगेन, सॉरी। और सबको मैं दिल से बच्चे रहने की कामना करती हूँ। और कैफे में ये देखा है कि सब अपने दिल का बच्चा हमेशा जिंदा रखना चाहते हैं और रखेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच, धन्यवाद।
बहुत अच्छा शीतल जी, बहुत अच्छा प्रयास। अगली बार से दो भाषा को नहीं मिला के थोड़ा साथ साथ में एक ही तरफ चलेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा। बट बहुत अच्छी कोशिश हिंदी में बोलने की और अच्छे से बोलने की। और अब हमारे अगली वक्ता हैं इशिता, बबीता जी, बबीता झुंझुनवाला। बबीता जी आप आपके लिए जो शब्द आया था एवर स्माइलिंग।
मनीषा,
नो।
कविता,
नो।
शीतल,
नहीं। चलिए, इसी से आप हमें ये बताइए कि आप हिंदी में बोलना चाहेंगे कि इंग्लिश में?
इंग्लिश।
ओके। सो आपका टॉपिक है Don't be eye candy, be soul food.
Hello
Bobita
everyone.
ji, your time starts now.
Hello everyone and good afternoon. It's a very good day to be talking to each other, and it's Christmas Eve today. So my topic is don't be eye candy, be soul food. Now, first of all, what does eye candy mean? Means looking beautiful, strutting around in your good clothes, and making the world see how beautiful you are. But is that enough? And now what do we mean by soul food? That what you are inside, how do you think you are inside? Do you help others? Do you help others lighten themselves? Are you there for everyone when people need you? And do people look to you in times of need? Do they find that yes, you are something else other than eye candy, and there is something more deeper to you than just your looks, and you are a person who has more depth in you than just your looks and your beautiful clothes and your expensive phones and jewelry and all that. So now we all should strive to be a much more deeper person in ourselves and a much more introspective of ourselves. Thank you.
Very nice, Babita ji. Very nice.
I got a little nervous.
No. You were too good. Now comes Ishita Parekh. Hello, Ishita.
Hello.
So the word when we asked about Ishita, someone said soft and supple like aloe vera.
Oh.
Can you guess who said this?
No clue. No
No
idea.
All right. You still
You,
can guess.
Manisha?
Time. No.
Sheetal ji?
Yes. Very good, Ishita. You guessed it right. Now you want a fun topic, as this is the last topic and Christmas time. You want fun topic or you want serious topic?
Fun topic.
All right. Then look at me.
Nervous, yeah.
Can you see this?
No, I can't see the. I could just see the little fruit. Yeah, I can see it. Apple.
And you know something? Doctor recommended me this apple, but I hate this. So I never want to buy this. No, this is apple. Can you sell it to me?
Okay, I'll try.
So
Good
Ishita, your time starts now.
2 minutes left.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wishing you a very happy Christmas Eve and New Year in advance. Yeah, and my topic is I would like to sell apples, and Manisha ji does not like eating apples. Yeah, I would just say that there are many things in the world which we don't like to do, but we still do it because it's good for us, you know. It's good for our health, for our body. Like, we don't like to exercise at times, but we need to do it to keep our body fit. In that way, maybe you're not liking apple, but you can just try it with a small portion of it. You can change it, make different varieties out of it and then eat it. Since it's recommended to you because apple a day keeps a doctor away. That is the tagline. So that is what I can say, that we should try and incorporate in our life, even if we don't like few things to do or to eat, but we should eat it because it's good for us. And that is all I would like to say. Thank you very much. And wishing you a very happy New Year in advance.
Okay. Thank you, Ishita. I'm little convinced. I'll think about this apple now.
No. Manisha, if the doctor is handsome, keep apple away.
30 seconds left.
Nice. I like Bhavika's suggestion more than Ishita's recommendation. So I'll go with doctor actually. Now here ends the on-the-spot topics. Priya, would you like to give us your feedback about the speeches? Though you missed first speech, but later on you were hearing all the speeches. So please. And before you give your take, I would like to tell you the word which you got, and you have to guess who said this for you. Down to earth, a very sweet and jovial girl, and a perfect mentor.
So this has to be from English batch. So, and there are many people from the batch, so it could be either Payal ji.
Yes. Wow. First time. Good.
Thank you, Payal ji. So guys, I do have a couple of views. Again, the more lengthier and the more evaluation will be done by Nidhi ji, but still I'll just give my couple of views. First, I want to talk something very serious, and I want Kavita ji with me in my team. So guys, what is the problem with the prepared speeches? Like, why are we not able to make you all comfortable enough that you can let go of that paper wherever it is, and you can be just free and you can make mistakes? Why is it so important not to make mistakes and be all that? I know that you feel nervous. It's very natural to feel nervous, to feel, but that fear of failure, you have to face it, right? And especially in the prepared speeches, you have to be okay with falling miserably and doing a terrible job. Unless you do that, you will not be natural, you will not be relaxed. So what happened in all the non-prepared speeches, people were smiling. I loved when Sheetal ji and Babita ji, I tell you, because they were smiling and they were telling from heart, whatever they were telling, we instantly connected with them. So with the prepared speeches, ideally we should connect more, right? But you guys were so scared in the sense that, Kavita ji, what's your that? Because we have done this in the English also, and we have made them very comfortable in failing, and that's how they all progressed.
Absolutely. And I mentioned this in the last session also. I don't know whether it was heard or not because there was some network issue. But ready speech does not mean that the speech is there in front of you and you're just reading it through. You can make points, take reference if you forget the points, but you cannot read through the entire speech from your paper or from your screen. People can make out that you're just reading it out.
Maybe we can allow them a small placard or a card wherein they can write how will they link one from one sentence to another, probably, or one broad topic to another. Maybe you can write 4 points that, okay, this is my introduction, this is the body part 1, 2, 3, and this is conclusion. Just write that 5 words and then be natural, then just speak it out. Come on, guys, it's okay to be nervous. It's okay to forget the line, because see, when we memorize, we forget. Whenever you will talk from memory, obviously you will forget. That's the whole beauty of prepared speeches. I think it's actually tougher than the impromptu one in a way. Either you have to be very confident that I have prepared well, I know my topic, and I can speak. Or if you try and talk from memory, of course your memory will fail you. You are in the presence of so many people. Your adrenaline is rushing. So in the prepared speeches also, you have to make sure that certain elements will come naturally to you. Be prepared for that. That I may forget this line, but can I continue? That's a whole beauty, right? Yes, Kavita.
Absolutely. So from next time onwards, we would like you all to speak, prepare it. No, you have 6 days, 7 days to prepare. Practice, practice, and practice.
Yeah. But everybody was very good. I could not concentrate anything more than this, that we are failing as mentors because we are not giving you the space wherein you can be so relaxed that you are just speaking. It is not actually your fault. It is the fault of the space. We have not been able to create space as of now that you guys can just be relaxed and, speak your heart out. So maybe we can do something to make this also better. Maybe Nidhi ji and us can, and me can, just talk first on a prepared speech. What do you say? Do you want us to do that? Nidhi ji, what do you say? Maybe we can also come up with our prepared speeches so that, if we fail, so that's okay. The mentors are failing. So why not the students, right? Why not the other parties? I mean, nobody's a student here literally, but maybe that will give you more confidence to do away with the paper. So be in that space that no matter what, I will just look at my placard. I want everybody to make it. Make a placard, make a small, whatever you call this. What do you call this? The small paper that people carry. So carry that, have the 5 words, attach, understand how will you link it, practice it in that way, and then let's do it. Guys, is that okay? I want all the prepared speeches, people to give me a thumbs up if they agree. And if you have a problem, tell us here that, okay, this was a problem and that's why we can discuss this off the class also.
Priya,
Okay.
Jasmine wants to say something. Can we allow her to say?
Obviously, yes.
Priya, actually, your mentors are so good that you made us comfortable in the initial stage only when we were all just chit-chatting and all that. That made us comfortable actually. So it is a little fear in us is there, which is making not speaking properly. But I would just like to add on, like in the ready speech, there was a sequence, like 5 people names were there that these 5 are going to speak today. So in that, mine was the first one. So I was just getting, goosebumps from inside. Ki first mera speech hai, first mera speech hai. So maybe in that 5, you can just jumble up. Anybody's speech can come up. All of us are ready with the ready speeches. Anybody's speech can come up instead of the sequence. So we don't know whether I'm in the second one or I'm in the first one, if that can work out. But otherwise,
that might make you feel
the
more-
mentors are definitely very good in, guiding.
Guys,
That is
it's okay
always
to fail. You know, it's just okay if you forgot your prepared speech. That's why we are practicing, isn't it? So that we don't do this outside. Okay, all right. And we will consider that, Jasmine ji, that was a good idea. So we'll discuss it with the team that can we do this. All right, moving ahead with the impromptu speech. I'll just take 2 more minutes because I'm taking a lot of time. Just one thing that I would say that guys, being natural and being relaxed has such a magic attached to it. You know, you just instantly connect with such people. So shout out to Sheetal ji, Richa ji, and Babita ji for being extremely natural. Kirti ji, of course. I mean, she started off, and we know this from before that Kirti ji is fantastic. So again, how she linked good introduction towards the end, Kirti ji started smiling more. And you know, at that time, I was like, where was this smile from the beginning? You know, Kirti ji, you have such a good smile, and I just hope that you started it off with that smile. Okay, again, Richa ji was very relaxed, very natural. So the moment she started, I was like, thank God, she's absolutely, you know, herself. She's like, let me take on the topic. And to top it off, Sheetal ji was even more natural. Sheetal ji was, guys, one of the tips to become natural and relaxed is fake enthusiasm. If you think that somehow you're not being natural, not relaxed, then just try and be enthusiastic. That will help you to become more natural and relaxed. So Sheetal ji was very extremely natural and relaxed, and that did, you know, give an edge to her speech. What I would mention about Babita ji was that, you know, she took the time to absorb the topic. That was wonderful. So she repeated the question again in one line, and she took the time to absorb the topic. I'm only talking about being relaxed and natural today. Okay, these are the 2 focus points that I think we all can inculcate in our speeches. That how can we be more relaxed? How can we be more natural? So Babita ji was extremely relaxed and natural, and that's how, you know, she took the time to absorb the topic. I think only if you had a little more humor, you will be the next level speaker. I super loved it. Just, you know, maybe we can discuss in the next class how to add humor. Okay, we can discuss some things about humor. And it's not easy though, but it would make your speech to the next level because you are a natural speaker. There was one more person. Yes, Ishita ji. I loved her analogy. Oh my God. In an instant, she created that analogy. Apples. So exercise and apples and how she compared. Superb. So I think in the prepared speech and the impromptu speakers had it. They saved the day. And for the speakers who did the prepared speech, guys, it's okay. It's really okay. And next time I'm giving a prepared speech. Okay. So yeah. So that we all know that it's okay to kind of like just be natural. Over to you, Manisha ji.
Very good take on the things, very good suggestions. And actually we could make it out that everybody's reading the speech. That it was visible because their eye contact were lacking. We could see that very, very clearly. So it's a good take. Now, the powerhouse who puts a sandwich, recommendation, that way, she puts a good sandwich. So Nidhi, it's your turn.
Thank you so much, Manisha ji. But my work is mostly completed. And yes, I was having a whale of time till the moment I saw everybody looking at the speeches. Okay, let me begin with Jasmine. Jasmine, I have to tell you, you are the probably only speaker who has read the topic really nice. The speech was on visual aid. You made sure you prepare your speech in that manner. You have really prepared. I was so impressed by you. You were speaking like a professional. With the slide change, you had a perfect sentence with every slide change. You addressed everybody really nicely. The speech title was heartfelt. Good gestures used. Last time I was talking about body language. So I'm so happy, Jasmine, that this time you incorporated and used the hands, the body language. You had nice sentences with slides, and you had a very good message at the end that we should not waste food. But I have one. I was wanting that video you showed would have really touched my heart if you would have a personal story attached to that. You could have said that I was going through these plethora of videos and I saw this and I started, it touched me. I was eating a morsel of meal and then I was throwing this. I did not throw this. Remember, all these things are connected to all the audience. All right. So these examples will enhance your speech. And again, towards the end, when you were doing fantastic job, you read from the slide the same line. So I was hoping if you could chain those lines into your words and end it, that would have been a great package. But I know that you are a quintessential speaker, and I am waiting for your speeches to without recommendation soon. So on that note, let me go ahead with Payal ji. Does being glamorous encourage you? Encourage you? Something
indicates that you are modern.
You are modern. Absolutely. So, Payal ji, I know there are a lot of problems going on, and still you managed to come. Thank you. But I have to be honest to my work.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, and to my duty. So first and foremost, I would say that please don't repeat the topic. Your expression while speaking was superb, superb. You had a straight face expression, though you were looking at the script all this while, and it was so evident, and it was not required. I don't know whether you'll be able to complete this level, because although you have that on the spot speech from the last level, because this level required a visual aid, and somehow I feel that this speech you could have easily incorporated. You were wearing that bindi, you could take off that bindi and show that this depicts modernity. Today I'm wearing this bindi over a pant shirt. That is my choice. That makes me no less than a modern woman or a glamorous woman. Or you could have a dupatta with you. Any visual aid would have enhanced your speech. So I know you could not do it but you know, presence of mind and mentors. हम लोग किस लिए हैं भाई? Ask us. We are there to help you whenever you need. We are there. You just have to reach out to us. So you had a nice message giving all this eulogy to our Wonder Woman Kavita. You ended it up nicely, but please don't read. I love the fumbles you can make that will enhance us eventually. So on that note, I know lots of things are going on. Right now, my daughter is sitting on my head and doing all sort of trouble, but still I'm here with my paper to speak to you. So remember this, we are all here to help you out. Otherwise, great work done. All right. So going ahead, it was Nipa. Nipa, I think you were the only one who really prepared. That at least you managed to show. You know, I really like the way you spoke with full confidence, and you had a very good command over your over the language. That's why you are the only person who incorporated the idiom of the day, the whale of time, in your prepared speech. Now that's a mark of a very prudent speaker, I must say. So good voice modulation. When you say that why don't we gift others, you had a very good voice modulation in that. Now, even though you had a very good voice modulation in that sentence, I was expecting partner's credit card. You talk about a joke, partner's credit card, but that just went away. Take a pause whenever you talk about humor. Take a pause, and then probably the laughter will be there. Because if you speak like like a train, when you joke around, then things will be just normal.
Take your time, Nidhi ji, it's okay.
All right. So going ahead, I have this problem with this timing. Anyways, going ahead, Nipa, I don't have much recommendation for you. Only when again I would say that please use the presence of mind if there was a visual aid thing necessary. So if the screen was not getting shared, a cup of coffee or any kind of gift, you know, yeah, I can see lovely background behind you. Just pull it off and just finish your task at that time. Okay, so I need the presence of
I
mind.
was actually nervous that, you know, that my screen is not getting presented.
I'm also nervous, but I'm just giving you little tips how to be near to perfect. All right. So then that's not, let me go ahead with Pinky. Pinky, where's Pinky? I love the way you addressed. You had a mind-blowing usage of prop. From a suspense, then coming that smiley. You were reading from the script, but you had a very good try. Okay, it just came across then, but your try.
No,
was very
actually, I
good.
didn't read it. It was just
Definitely
like,
to the point.
okay.
Eye contact, you had a good try in that case.
Nidhi, if you want to pacify your baby, we can wait for 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay, then Sheetal ji, can start with your Hindi.
I'm doing that. उसके पहले मैं अदिति अग्रवाल जिन्होंने हिंदी में स्पीच दी थी उनके बारे में बात करना चाहूंगी। बहुत अच्छा विषय, बहुत अच्छा प्रयास और बहुत अच्छी कोशिश, क्योंकि शब्द सच में हमारे मन का आईना होते हैं। हम जैसा सोचते हैं वैसे ही शब्द आते हैं और हमारे भाव वैसे ही हो जाते हैं। तो आपने इस पूरे के पूरे माहौल में एक सकारात्मक ऊर्जा प्रदान की और आसपास के लोगों में एक पॉजिटिविटी की जो जरूरत है उसे पूरा करने की कोशिश की। आपने एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल भी दिया, वो एक कार्ड दिखा के, और आपकी भाषा अच्छी भी थी, लेकिन आपका आई कांटेक्ट जो था वो कहीं ना कहीं खो रहा था। या आप भाषण को देख रही थी या फिर आप सोच रही थी कि आपसे कहीं गलती ना हो जाए। उस प्रयास में आपका जो आंखों का जो हमारे दर्शकों के साथ एक रिश्ता होना चाहिए, कहीं ना कहीं तो वो आपको उस चीज की अगली बार देने की जरूरत है। आप हमारी ताकिए आपकी बातों पे हम पे क्या रिएक्शन आ रहा है वो आप जांचिए, और आपकी वॉइस में थोड़ा सा मॉड्यूलेशन, जैसे कि आपकी आवाज में जो उतार चढ़ाव, आपके भावों में जो उतार चढ़ाव शब्दों के साथ आना चाहिए था, वो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा कम था। जैसे आपने शुरू किया, फिर आपने बीच में कहा जैसा खाओ अन्न वैसा हो मन, वो सब जो बातें कह रही थी उसमें थोड़ा सा एक बदलाव आना चाहिए था आपके भावों में, आपके शब्दों के साथ, ताकि हम नहीं लगता कि आप एक अलग से उदाहरण दे रही हैं, एक आप अलग से मुहावरा बता रही हैं। हमारा एक जो हमारी रुचि उस तरफ बढ़ती और हम थोड़ा और ध्यान देते कि आप उसे कितना दिलचस्प बना रही हैं। उसमें एक भाव से दूसरे भाव में जाने के लिए आपको थोड़ा बदलाव लाना चाहिए। आपने शुरू किया, आपने बोला, फिर आपने खत्म किया, तो वो 3 अलग अलग हिस्सों में बटी होने से आपकी जो भाषण थी वो और ज्यादा प्रभावित करती हमें। वैसे भी बहुत प्रभावित किया, लेकिन थोड़ा इन बातों का ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है। वरना बहुत अच्छा प्रयास, और हम आगे भी चाहेंगे आप हिंदी या इंग्लिश भाग लेते रहें और हमें अपने अच्छे अच्छे भाषण से लुभाते रहें।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू। I'll again start. I'll come in.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I was talking to Pinky. Pinky ji, आपका your see when you hear Hindi, you keep on speaking in that language. All right. So I really like the way you addressed the speech. You had a superb usage of prop with a suspense that what is that curve called, and your speech was crutch free. You have a very good command over this language. It's just that you are very nervous. Why? Why? There was your sister-in-law. We are all your sisters. So please don't be nervous, and that is why you use money in between out of nervousness. So
Yeah.
don't be nervous. First of all, please don't be nervous. And second of all, you used a video, and that was such a nice video. My recommendation would be that please use a very the small version. Unnecessary showing the entire video was of no use because the message was the same. And let me tell you, you dropped something. You dropped something.
Yeah.
Smile. Yes.
Yes.
In your speech, you drop that smile. I was like, you have to pick it up and see such a nice smile you have, and you're wearing those red stripes. Lovely. You look so good. So just try not to be nervous. I have to say that, and smile because you were talking about smile. And the way you speak, the kind of command you have over the language, you're going to be super speaker in the days to come. So all
Thank
the
you
best,
so much.
all the best. Now going ahead, we had Kirti ji. Oh, okay. We are done with the ready speeches. Now let me quickly begin with the on the spot speeches, starting with Kirti ji. Oh my God, Kirti ji, you spoke like a pro. Trust me, the topic was so good. Beauty has no skin tone. The topic was so good, and your take on that. The moment you got the topic, you were on it. You talked about your personal experience, about the Sri Lankan friend you had, and I was in awe while listening to you. So your thoughts, you were very assertive with your thoughts, and the translation of the entire structure of your speech was very lucid. So you gave a super generic example. Um, you had a perfect package. The way I feel, you should use a personal story, then you should use a generic story. You had a perfect package of a very nice on the spot speech where you gave a generic example as well about the beauty products, actress. They possess and all, and also you had a conclusion. I mean, wonderful work done in the on the spot speeches, having a good conclusion. You again mentioned that Sri Lankan girl, and today you again remember her, that beauty has no skin tone. Honestly, I was searching my best to give you recommendation, and but I just have only one recommendation, was that I needed some energy. With the kind of flow you have, had it been, I would have been in next TED, TED, not TEDx, TED speaker maybe. Yes. So the kind of energy the kind of flow and the ideas you have, I think a little energy and a little emphasis on what you believe would gave the would like maybe me run for the recommendations maybe. So great work done, Kirti ji. I loved it. I can't even begin to tell you how much I loved it. All right. Yeah. So Richa ji, yes, real queen fix each other's crown. So you used metaphors to begin with, that we all have this crown in our head. At times they are visible, at times they're not visible. So I cannot see Richa ji.
Is there?
Is there? All right. Never mind. So you said it. You said that very fluently. Sorry. You had a good transition. भैया पानी लेना. You had a good transition Firstly, you took the topic and then gave your personal reviews about it. The transition was very good. It was in a very smooth manner. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay. You had a very good transition. It was done in a very smooth manner. You were going great. But I don't know why. In between, you lost the topic. You were deviated from the topic. You talked about the friends, and that was really towards the end, which was not necessary. And again, I would say that topic was real queen fix each other's crown. So the topic here was not only that we are wearing this crown and we are doing all this and all, that how as a human being, as woman to woman, we have helped other to elevate. If you could incorporate one of that story, like you're talking about friends and their celebration and all, but my point is here that in that celebration, if sometimes you have not celebrated, then how you could fix it? You know, that fixing part is very important. So you started off really where you were good with the transition and all, but towards the end you messed it up, you deviated a little, and at times if you speak less, it is okay, it's a bliss, trust me. So kudos, I know you'll do a great work done in the future days to come. Please keep speaking and keep taking the speeches. All right. Now, Sheetal ji needs to be evaluated in Hindi. Manisha ji, I'll just complete and then you take over.
You can evaluate her also. It's fine.
हाँ,
Go
दिल
with
तो बच्चा है जी. शीतल जी, आपने बहुत साफ वे में अपनी बातों का स्पष्ट विवरण किया. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, दिल को छुआ. आपने अपनी, मैं क्या बोलूं, अपनी अपनी निजी जिंदगी के कुछ कहानियां के बारे में बताए. और मैं बस एक बात कहना चाहूंगी कि अगर यदि कुछ इंग्लिश का वर्ड या कुछ और लैंग्वेज का वर्ड आ जाता है तो आप सॉरी मत बोलिए. मैं सबको यही बोलती हूँ, जब आप स्पीच पे हैं तो आप खुद ही, मतलब आप खुद के ही मालिक है, आप उस टाइम खुद ही सरकार है, तब आप सॉरी मत बोलिए. सरकार सॉरी बोलती है नहीं बोलती है, हमारी सरकार, वो हमें नहीं पता, बट ये बोला जाता है क्या, आप सॉरी बोलिए मत, आप सॉरी एक्ट करिए. जैसे अगर ऐसा हो गया कि मैं ये बात बोल दी, I've said act, तो how should I benefit, how should I react? So the way, ये जो तरीका है, जिस तरीके से हमें हमारी गलतियों को छुपाना चाहिए, वो भी एक कला है. वो धीरे धीरे आगे चल के आप सीख पाएंगे. और मैं बस इतना ही चाहती थी कि ये दिल तो बच्चा है जी, इसमें आपने एक पिक्चर भी ले आए, अपने बारे में भी बोल दिया. विचारधारा बहुत प्रभावशाली थी. तो ऐसी विचारधारा होगी तो आप तो बहुत जल्दी सर्वश्रेष्ठ वक्ता बन जाएंगे. बस आते रहिए, बोलते रहिए.
थैंक यू सो मच.
मनीषा जी, मेरे हिंदी के लिए थोड़ी सी माफ करिए.
आप भी बोलते रहिए, कोशिश करते रहिए, अंत तक आप भी थोड़ी अच्छी वक्ता हो जाएंगी.
थैंक यू. अच्छा बबीता जी, don't be eye candy, be soulful. I must congratulate Babita ji, the way you have handled this topic. This topic was the toughest of the lot. It was not an easy topic. You know, we have to learn from you. At least I did. You took one word from the speech, eye candy. You know, what does that mean? Does it mean this? Does it mean that? I can't even begin to tell you. That's such a nice way to start off your thing and structure your process, organize your thoughts, and that smile was always throughout your speech. And that is something which is very captivating. You had a very good message at the end, but again, you had a good plethora of questions in your speech, but there were too many questions. And when you ask questions, pause a little. see how the audience is reacting. Because today I am giving you these tips just not on the basis of a virtual meeting, but also on the basis that how eventually we'll all be on that stage. That how will you manage that audience? All right. So my prime focus is there. That okay, I cannot see people. My view is in the speaker view. I just need to speak. No, we need to see the audience reaction, right? Okay, so whenever you ask the questions, try and have a little pause, see the people how they react, and then just have a personal story to every topic. Okay, that how it is. Don't be an eye candy, be a soulful in your personal life. You have come across this phrase and is very close to you. So whatever you're doing, great work. Keep coming and keep speaking. All right, last but not the least, our Ishita, our Christmas candy, I would say today. She's looking like proper Christmas party person. Yes. And now I would request to the topic master, kindly give the topic similar. Now you gave her one apple to be sold off. Now that was not a topic. That it was more of a question. So we'll have this round of a question also, where you'll ask all the questions and you have to answer it accordingly. So, but you managed it very well. Ishita, I must say that you managed it so well. You started with a phrase, and you had your own thoughts that how apples are important. You had a good message to end with, that we should eat apple, but I did not find any story on it. That's why you ended really fast. I was thinking apples, there are myriad of stories you can get from your childhood or from your child about apples and all. So that would have enhanced your speech and had a full package. Otherwise, great work done on a little tricky topic. So kudos to you, and
thank you.
And thank you all of you for daring me today, and Merry Christmas.
Same to you.
So now I would like to invite Kavita to give her take on the session.
So without taking much time, actually, I think we should better manage time. Instead of 60 minutes, we are running into 95 minutes right now. So from next session onwards, it should not be beyond 65, 67 minutes. If we feel that 60 minutes are not enough, then let's plan in advance that 60 minutes are not enough. We will need 75 minutes, so people are mentally prepared. Anything else, I will put it in the group, because I like to wrap up quickly. Good job, Nidhi and Manisha and Priya and Bhavika, our timer.
No, Bhavika is not the timer. She is creating all beautiful creatives. She is keeping the energy high all the time.
Absolutely.
Kudos.
Go ahead, Manisha.
So thank you, everyone. We are up with the level 1. I'm excited for the level 2. We'll let you know about the detailed things of the topic and everything for the 3rd week. And mind it is Thursday. Next week also it is Thursday. It's not Friday. We are super excited. So we are...
Next week, it's Wednesday.
Oh. यार कविता इतनी ज्यादा सुपर एक्साइटेड हो कि एक दिन और आगे करते जा रहे हो.
Because Thursday is the 31st.
Okay.
I think next week it's Wednesday. We'll just inform.
Yeah,
it's
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
All right. We'll let you know the details. Till then, superb sessions, super speeches. Loved it. And I'm really happy that everybody did the justice with the topics which I gave them. And I knew Babita ji could have done this thing. That is why I give the topic to Babita ji. I knew she will manage the topic. Otherwise, I will not have given the topic to anyone else.
I could have done much
Manisha,
better.
today's topics are very tough.
Thinking back, I could have done much better, I feel.
It's
There is
okay.
always room
We
for
all-
improvement. So fine. On that note, goodbye everyone. Let's meet next week again with the same energy level, same enthusiasm, and same good ready speeches without reading them by
Yes.
paper.
This time, because level 2 is something that we are leveling up. Please don't read, and you won't have the chance.
And I'm giving you
topic फिर तो
well in advance. Instead of 3 days, I'm giving you before 6 days so that you can prepare. You can just keep that topic inside your heart, everywhere in your mind. So well prepare yourself. Bye bye.
Bye.
Merry
Bye.
Christmas.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye, guys. Thank you.